Facts.
Can I give y'all a round of applause?
I really appreciate that. Don't shoot at me. Nigga, they blowing. For the strap, nigga.
You over here drinking on this wacky. I'm trying to drink on you. So what you want to do?
That shit made me feel tingly. No, when I start feeling tingly, my mind starts rushing and shit. I like that, though. Yeah, thunder milk. Do that shit one more time. Go ahead, shoot out of. You Gucci just because of that. I gotta get out to you, baby.
Thank
you. You gotta
you.
give me a hug. Elegancy, distinguished gentlemen and distinguished women.